Alright guys, well here we go. I'd like to say good morning and welcome aboard. My name is Tara. I'll be riding along with you to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. It's about a 12-minute tram ride to get to the top. We have put together a brief informational CD that I'll share with you along the way. But if at any time you have a question, feel free to ask. Feel free to move about the car as well. That's not a problem. Keeping in mind, we'll pass 5 towers on our trip, and there is a slight swing to the car as we pass the towers, so be expecting that. And here we go. Here we are at tower number 1.
Yeah.
People's backyard.
Yeah, no swimming pool open yet. People's houses. I could see in their windows with this.
Hello and welcome to the Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, operating in partnership with the United States Forest Service. This aerial tram, which opened to the public in December 2008, offers the greatest continual vertical rise of any ski area in the United States, as well as a unique view of one of America's finest recreational areas. During the next few minutes, we will rise 4,139 vertical feet and travel nearly 2.5 miles to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. Starting at the valley elevation of 6,311 feet, we travel above forests of aspen, Douglas fir, Engelmann spruce, lodgepole, and whitebark pine amidst a carpet of colorful seasonal wildflowers. Along the way, moose, mule deer, black bear, and many smaller animals are often seen. This aerial tram was designed by Maurice Andre, an engineer for Garabenta Seatech out of Switzerland, and employs machinery from Austria, Switzerland, the Czech Republic, and the United States. Technically, this system is called a double reversible or jig-back tram, as the cabins always move simultaneously but in opposite directions. The system is powered by twin 1,000 horsepower electric motors and utilizes over 15 miles of steel cable, 5 structural steel towers, more than 200 wheels of various sizes, 3 independent braking systems, and computerized electronics and weather instrumentation. As one of the safest modes of mountain transportation, the Jackson Hole Aerial Tram can deliver up to 600 passengers per hour to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain to enjoy summer and winter recreational activities both in Grand Teton National Park and Bridger Teton National Forest. Characterized by glacial surface carved through dolomite cliff bands, the natural ruggedness of Rendezvous Mountain is tamed each winter by an average snowfall of over 400 inches. The result is nearly 3,000 acres of unparalleled skiing. The aerial tram, together with the Bridger gondola and a variety of other lifts, offers more expert, intermediate, and beginner terrain than most resorts in the United States. With the exception of a few cliff areas at towers 4 and 5, all the terrain you see below is open from Thanksgiving weekend through mid-April. When our tram car reaches the summit elevation of 10,450 feet, the forest will have given way to talus slopes and alpine tundra. There are over 200 species of plants native to this mountain habitat. Many species of birds, including golden eagles, hawks, prairie falcons, swallows, white-crowned sparrows, and black rosy finches, visit the mountaintop. Seldom visited by larger animals, golden-mantled ground squirrels, marmots, pikas, pine martens, and red fox make their homes in the rocky terrain of this alpine tundra. Corbett's Cabin, located at the summit, offers gifts, souvenirs, and refreshments, including made-to-order waffles. Hiking trails from the summit range in ability from moderately easy to strenuous, including a 7.2-mile route to the base. Please talk to any staff member if you have any questions. If you would like to know more about the aerial tram or other resort activities, including evening dining at the award-winning Couloir restaurant located at the summit of the Bridger gondola, please visit with a tram operator on the top or bottom dock. You are invited to stay as long as you like and take any car down that fits into your schedule. JHMR is a smoke-free resort. Therefore, we ask that you do not smoke at the resort unless in a designated area. On behalf of the Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, thank you for riding the tram, and we invite you to visit us on the web at jacksonhole.com when you are back home to plan your fantastic winter holiday.
Guys, here in a moment, we will pass the second tram car as it comes down the hill. You'll see it out the windows on my side. As the two cars pass, it does mark the halfway point of the tram ride.
He's empty.
Nobody on it.
I guess this is the.
It's fun to run up and down this all day. Drive one of these.
You don't drive.
All right, guys, we're also coming up on the second tower here. Pretty big swing of the car at this tower, so everybody hold on.
Here's the mountain.
There's a home way up there.
Here we are at tower number 2.
Well, that's not, that's a lodge.
Oh, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Well, I seen a car. I thought, well, maybe somebody's in it.
Yeah, so I notice, you guys are noticing the paragliders coming down as we're going up. If you take a look across the gully here, follow the dirt road up the hill, just below the gondola lodge, on the grassy slope there, I can see a yellow and a white wing laid out in the grass. If you keep your eyes in that direction, if the wings are right, they launch from that site. Can you see them there? Yeah. Jackson Hole Paragliding does offer tandem paragliding flights. They've got tandem pilots available. If anybody would like to try that sport out, let me know. I can get you signed up for the pilot and on your way. They do have 2 launch sites, all dependent on the wind.
You don't
The winds
paraglide
are
by
right at the
yourself,
top,
do you?
then
You
the
ride
others will
with
take the
somebody?
tram up and launch from there.
These guys are all
But
separate.
if the wind is going in a different
If you're
direction,
a
this is
customer,
their
there's 2 of them.
We're
You
able to
ride with
launch from
somebody.
there. They do drive up to get to that location and then fly up.
No.
So these are the pads, these are the pads, the ski pads.
And you hold
Yeah.
on to it.
So everything you see here would be open skiable terrain, and once again, the service road you see here would be the traverse system down the mountain in the wintertime. All right, guys, tower number 3. If you look at the lodge at the top of the gondola, I see some paragliders launching from
Can you
there
take
as
that
well.
one down too?
Sometimes it runs.
That's really cool. Yeah, I see it. But it sure seems like it.
Jackson Hole Mountain Resort is located in the southern end of the Teton Range. Once again, out the windows on my side of the car, directly north of us, we can see a fabulous view of the Grand Teton from here. It will be the tallest triangular peak you'll see furthest out in the distance there. Beautiful view of the Grand.
So pretty. Isn't this mountain here that's flat in front of us, isn't that Idaho?
Yes. Yep.
This is Idaho.
A little bit higher, you'll see a house top, and I think it's Bannon or Fossil, and that's all behind it. Yep. Tower 4.
Then I go into Idaho right above us.
Paraglider just launched. Yeah, that's right. How about ice?
No.
So this ski resort is known for the more advanced or expert ski terrain. That being said, we are getting ready to pass this resort's most famous ski run. Out the windows opposite of me, the passageway you'll see here in between the 2 cliffs is the famous Corbett's Couloir. This is an open and skiable run for us in the wintertime. People traveling from all around the world to come ski this ski run.
Right below us? Oh, look at the little squirrel kept climbing up the snow. What is that?
Oh, a marmot. Yep.
Marmot.
Going for it.
Yeah, it's like, he's like, oh, good fire.
That mistake there. All right, guys, Tower 5, another swing of the car here. Hold on.
It's on the snow.
All right, and here we are, the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. The elevation is 10,450 feet. Trams run every 15 minutes on the hour, but you are welcome to spend as much time as you'd like up here. The last car down for the day will leave at 6:30 this afternoon. Again, 6:30 this afternoon. Last
You gotta
card.
walk?
The building just off the dock here is open with restrooms, the snack bar, the souvenir shop. You can find the hot drinks, the cold drinks, and the famous made-to-order waffles. Just watch your step. There's a lot of loose rock out there. You can see we still have snow. And for your safety, please obey all the closed area signs and these rope lines. You can see for obvious reasons we have put them there. So thank you everyone for coming up. Enjoy.
Soft on it. Eat a waffle.
Well, Santa Clara, yeah. But Palo Alto is where.
Welcome back on the tram, guys. Hope you enjoyed your beautiful day out here. See y'all in just a second. Any questions? Don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy the ride down.
Your stomach kind of goes.
You can see Sandy? Oh. You want to go visit Sandy today? Okay. Well, I don't think we'll ride on her today, but we can go see how she's doing.
And I can ride on your horse?
Yeah, but not today. I think tomorrow when Daddy goes to
Tracks are?
what are they?
So when you come off of this,
They're barefoot kids? Or paw prints? You see any animals? You tell Grammy what you'd like to do. Today's Grammy and Katie's day. Not Lorenzo's day. Or Logan. Or Mom. Or Dad. Or Marty's. Do you want to take your sweatshirt off now? Because it'll be warm.
They get going on building this lift, they kind of a plank that they're going to be pouring concrete into the foundations. They might start the cement trucks up at 6 o'clock in the morning. They might have 3 trucks up there that's on their way up.
There you go.
See, we got up to that, we are a little bit ahead of where the truck is. We went back.
The Sunday is the first Bunny Day, yeah.
Let's look for animals.
Or just little baby segments of structure ahead and that's one of
That's right. Remember we meet up with the other tram?
avalanche. And so from those things, they can set off explosions remotely. That's do the same thing as stuff on the wind check. Tower 2, things are looking out here to the next tower, Tower 1, it's more than a mile, but it's important to get. Tower 1,
Today I would say it's not going to be really warm, so, but I think it might
here.
Yesterday we got a lot of bus tours though. So we had like 120 people on the bus. Maybe we'll be busy.
Any critters down here today?
I haven't seen I haven't seen the bears were around yesterday.
Deer and moose, we didn't see any deer.
There was a black bear around yesterday too as well.
Tram or the one with the cubs?
No, it's smaller. It's not the mom. The mom's a lot bigger. So it's the smallest cinnamon, and then Christian saw a black bear. I haven't seen a black one.
Sort of like Labradors that come in black and yellow and chocolate, yes.
Yeah. But yeah, it's smaller than the because I saw the mom last week. She's really quite wide.
Yeah, I'd rather see them from the tram and not like that. Right here, you see the trail that's going across it through the woods and across there. That's the lower part of the wildflower trail.
Oh,
We took
okay.
a little bit of it further up, but you know, if you started later and didn't want to be on the construction, you could come up and any of these down here connect to that. This main one, this is North drove on like a drove on.
Oh, yeah.
The private property, which is Teacup Village, right? The residential is awesome. It goes up there.
That's a pool, but that's not our
All the
pool.
lower face, which is all.
That's where we're staying, right there. That big building there.
There's a ski around. Private property, it goes up. The house being up here, goes up back here. So if you ski down those, you take
So
that.
just to point out to everyone that's got their tram tickets, that chairlift there that's moving to you or not, you can see it's an open chairlift. That's included on your tram ticket. So if you wanted to go over and take a scenic ride, come off the dock, take a right, go up towards that red fencing, and you can take a scenic lap on that. It's only like a 8-minute ride, but it's nice. You can just ride up, stay on the chair, ride all the way down. But it's included on your ticket.
Okay.
And they're open until 6 o'clock today. Same with the climbing, the adventure course, bungee, all open today until 6 o'clock. If you're looking for some shopping or retail, Jackson Hole Tram straight up the hill. They've got a great selection of everything, and Nick Wilson's here is open for food and drink. Thank you for riding the train.
Thank you, jazz band playing.
So your accent is Aussie or
Big red
You guys still go, lady up here and asked if I'm Scottish. And I'm like, nope. Not Scottish.
Jazz band.
Yeah, concert band. This is town.
Again, so we will have the 4th of July parade, and we may or may not have another concert that day. And then the 5th of July, the Jackson Hole Tram.
It's 12.
Well, that takes videos too. So. Nasty, nicer day.
Beautiful. It's not really that hot, but
There's some more of those hang gliders up there.
once it's still enough to get them all three together. Close enough. You just sit here all day and go round and round and round.
That's where we were, just right up there.
Oh, there's 4 of them. I thought there was only 3.
There's 2, 4, 5, 6.
What? Oh, they're doubled up. Oh, that's
sounds nice.
I'm gonna ride that one. One of those spikes is down the foot. You can't do it, I guess.
I was gonna say, that's gotta be a rough ride. Bicycles.
Exactly what they're for.
Raise your feet. Those bike trails.
Out too far. You got it.
Yeah, this is pretty neat. And we did it at the time of the day when it's not crowded. So.
Hold it steady in that line. Not taking out.
There goes some bikes right there.
Bike riders right there.
3 more bikes. 3 more bike riders.
Canopy meant for riding. What the ride is that? I don't know, that might be fun. Look at that guy. He's doing.
Yeah, I know.
All riders. Bicyclists today.
Oh, look at that obstacle course. Somebody's idea of fun.
Something just getting in front of you, not the guys. Take it out,
Raise your feet.
Go right again?
No,
No, we're good.
Walk towards me.
There you are. Thank you.
Some birds out.